Hello friends, warm welcome to our channel Experts Prime Team. As we all know friends, here we provide you each and every sports, every match, Grand League and Small League full analysis so that you can easily win any league. Please subscribe our channel and click on this bell icon if you want instant notification of each and every game at the earliest. You'll be provided each and every sports analysis here. Every match video is being provided over here. You can see. Today we'll discuss about which match we'll discuss. Today we will going to discuss about CTL versus CTT. Full stats and full analysis video we will be providing here. We will discuss about each and every player with their roles, their performance, in which order they play. Okay, so let's start. If we go with the wicketkeeper for CTL versus CTT, CTTL wicketkeeper is N Aslam. N Aslam is opening batsman, and his past match result you can easily see 61, 0, 5, 3 and 15. He is a hit and miss type player. Last match he has scored 15, but one match he has scored 61, and then other players are much capable. For CTL, another wicketkeeper is M Safadar Khan, but he is playing 5 down and he does not have that much good record. So, and then there is as answer from CTT, he is batting 6 down. So you can easily see he has not done much, only he can provide the point through his stumping and catches. So easily we can see N Aslam is the best option available here. Okay, we'll go over there where it is, this CTL versus CTT. Let's wait. So CTL versus CTT will discuss about each and every player here. As I have already told you, in wicketkeeper section we have R Zaman and Aslam. I have already told you which option is best. You can easily see there is N Aslam, R Zaman and R Mahmood. If they played, you can take R Zaman. We have provided every record. You go with N Aslam. Then for batting section, there is best, which is the best person. I will tell you. For batsman, M Ali opening, plus he is also bowling 1 over in every match. So, and his record see 5 run, 0, 62, 22, and also has picked up 1 wicket, 2 wickets. So he is the best. And other batsmen you can take is D Singh 11, 0, 21, 33, 12. You can say average player. So one is M Ali, second D Singh, third you can take A Hasan Raja 14, 52 and 7. And another one if you want you can try is S Latif. He has scored 43, but you can try him in Grand League only. None other player is there capable. So we have to select 3 batsmen. The best possible batsmen are M Ali, D Singh and A Hasan Raja. M Ali, D Singh and A Hasan Raja. Now going with all-rounder section. I'll go with all-rounder section. You can see all-rounder we have 4 options. So 5 options. A Muhammad, he's batting 1 down, also bowling 2 over. So he's must-have player. 18 run 1 wicket, 76 2 wicket, 33 3 wicket. In which we have written wickets first. That means the team bowled first. 18, 76, 33, 18 and 25. He's also becoming 1 wicket, 2 wicket. Like in every match he's bowling 2 over. So he's must-have. Then we have Ayushan, 33 run 2 wicket. He's also bowling 2 over. So he's also must-have player. 21 2 wicket, 29 and 2 wicket, so he's also good player. Wiley 8, 15, 48, 87. Last match 13, so he's also performing very well, also becoming wickets. And 4th option you can go with is Ab Sohail. He's batting 1 down, but he's only bowling 1 over and he has not done anything extraordinary except 1 match. You should try him in Grand League, or can also be tried in Small League if you can drop S Amir, because he's bowling 3 down and bowling 2 over, but hasn't picked up much wicket except 1 game. So one player you can select between Ab Sohail and S Amir. You can change in Grand League. I'm going with Muhammad Hussain, Wiley and Sohail. Okay. In bowling, which are the options? R Ali, he's also scoring with the bats. Sometime he's been promoted also. So you can see he's batting 5 down, also bowling overs 2 over continuously. So he's the best pick. And next G Dastagir, he has, in how many matches he has played? He has played very well, also becoming wicket. So he is the another one. For third bowler you can go with N Ali. Is not playing since last few matches. If S Khabar Raja plays, you can easily see his records. You can easily select him. There is also option of S Nasir, you can go with him. I'll go with R Ali Dastagir, and you can go with, see, R Adil Iqbal is becoming wickets, he's also bowling 2 over, and M Kasib G Sarwar you can try in Grand League, they are just bowling 1 overs. So we'll go with Ali Dastagir and Iqbal. There might be credit issue, but we'll see. Yeah, Dastagir and Iqbal, no credit issue. So this is our team. For captain, vice captain, I will say you always select all-rounders in T10, and best possible all-rounder we can say is A Muhammad, and then you can go with Y Ali or I Hussain, whatever you want. I will go with I Hussain, Y Ali, because he's been consistent. I will tell you save captain, vice captain who are. This is our small league team. You can make the team according to it, and if any change I will provide you in the link in description of Telegram. You can join over there. See, for save captain, vice captain choice, we have I Hussain. I have already told you he's batting 3 down, bowling 2 over, and his past record you can see 33, 21, 29, 1 and 9 run. Also 2 wicket, 2 wicket, 2 wicket, 0 wicket, 1 wicket. So he's been performing well. Also A Muhammad, 76 run, 3 wicket, 18 run, 25 run. He's performing well. While you can go with 15, 48, 87, 13. Also becoming 2 overs. Also bowling 2 overs. And for Grand League, you can try hit and miss type player. On their day in T10, they can destroy any lineup like Emily. Monali is being becoming regularly picking wickets. Also batting well. See, one match he scored 0, another 2 wicket, then 0, then 62, then 22. In this match he can score big. Ab Sohail, he can also be tried in Grand League as a captain, vice captain, because he's all-rounder, also bowling 1 over and also batting 1 down. And you can go with G Dastagir because he's bowling 2 overs continuously, also bowling and the death, also picking wickets. So you can try him as a Grand League captain, vice captain. So this is our analysis. One thing I want to show you is age. You can go with this app. I will tell you about this app. One thing, you can find all the information in our Prime app. Let me show these. After toss, we provide with each match, Grand League and small league team of each and every sports. Also you can join any matches from here. You can see, like, my network is not that good. You are being provided with each and every match. You can see this is our Prime app where you are provided with each and every match full detail analysis. You can see after toss, is there any change, we are providing that change. Also replacement player also we are providing. See, full state analysis of each and every match we are being provided here. This is a match SSC versus TUS which was played today. We have provided each and every detail. Also the team, Grand League plus small league team is being provided over here. Each and every sports you can see here. There is always timer fix, so you will never miss any sports, any game. You will be provided with each and every match, Grand League plus small league team. You can see timing fix, cricket, football, cricket. Please install our app. Once you will install, you will surely enjoy this app. Okay, also you can join our Telegram channel, link is given in description. There you are provided with full research data of each and every match by our full expert team of each and every sports. Hope you will like our hard work and have a look one at our app, our site, our Telegram channel. If you will, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Please support us. Thank you very much. Happy winning.